that the following equations are identical to each other. So we can first apply the change of base rule to get both logs on the same base. So I'm choosing to manipulate the left hand side. So this will become now we can set the same exponent for the numerator and denominator, which will let us cancel out the exponents out. So for the top, for the numerator, we can see that two of the laws of indices can be applied, which are a to the power of negative m is equal to 1 over a to the power of m, and a to the power of m over n is equal to root n to the power of m. So now we can write log base 4 2 cos 2x plus 11 to the power of negative 1 over 2. And for the bottom, we see that 1 over 2 is equal to 2 to the power of negative 1, which is essentially 4 to the power of 1 over 2. So now the denominator will be log base 4 to the power of negative 1 over 2. Now we can apply the power law to cancel out the exponents. So it will be now we can clearly see that the exponents cancel each other out, and we can see that the denominator is in fact the log of the same number as base rule. So this is just equal to 1. So therefore the right hand side is identical to the left hand side.